JLG Industries presents Checking Diagnostic Troubleshooting Codes on the JLG AG925 Telehandler using the JLG Analyzer. Always refer to Section 2 of your machine's Operation and Safety Manual and perform a pre-start inspection before machine operation. Begin by connecting your JLG Analyzer to the machine and turn the key switch to the run position. Faults are detected when the key switch is in the run position and during machine operation. If a fault is detected, the fault code is logged in memory and the LCD display notifies the operator a fault has been detected or is currently active. A description of each fault code can be found in the fault code section of your service manual. If the LCD display shows a 3 to 5 digit fault code, refer to the Machine Fault Codes section of your service manual for a list of machine fault codes. The Machine Fault Codes section contains DTC messages, the machine's action and response to the fault code, possible causes or triggers for the DTC, and the latch condition or how to clear the fault code after a repair has been made. If the LCD display shows a 437 SPN FMI engine diagnostic code, reference the Engine Diagnostic Codes section of your service manual for a full list of fault codes and descriptions. If you require further clarification on working with diagnostic troubleshooting codes on any applicable JLG machine, contact our Customer Support Technical Service Center at 1-877-JLG-LIFT. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.